Yes, first for testing, but maybe it's already going to work. My e-bike LogBandSaw. I got this for 20 euro on a car boot sale flea market, and this is only no hole sensors. Yeah, okay. 300 watt, 400 watt. If I ramp it up from 36 to 48 volt, I may even get 1000 watt. And here I could attach a hoverboard motor for another 1000 watt. And just here, so a little bit to pressure, it's staying. It is staying on the rim. Really nice. You see, that's a bit bigger. That's okay. And so here maybe would not have expected that it's staying right onto the rim. Very nice. Yeah. So maybe tomorrow I can also already attach these cheap $12 36 to 60 volt ESC without hole. And you see, then there will be here that going downside. So I have I will only simply the wood to guide the blade so that it cannot really move, but as it is already staying here onto the rim without any guidance, I'm pretty confident. That's here. Okay, maybe let's see. There should be a spring with a screw that's pushing them together or pulling them together. And yeah, I did miscalculate the width here. Because I intend here, yeah, Planet Robodern. You see 5.30 meters, but that's now too wide because but for testing it can be just like this, and I only would need to replace the wooden bar here, and of course I would like to build it out of aluminium if it really works. But I cannot stop spinning the wheel because it's okay here now, a little bit to the right. This is really very nice. Okay, bye bye.